In this video, you'll learn how to host your Claude Code project on Render. By following these steps, you will successfully deploy your application and make it accessible. To begin, open the terminal in Visual Studio Code and navigate to your project directory. Enter the command cd path // Claude project. Ensure that your project contains a quote package.json quote file and a quote index.js quote or your main entry file. It is also essential to have all dependencies installed, which you can achieve by running npm install in the terminal. Next, open your web browser and go to render.com. If you do not have an account, you will need to sign up. Once logged in, you will need to connect your GitHub or GitLab account. Make sure that your Claude Code project is pushed to a Git repository. In the terminal, initialize your repository by running git init. Then add your files with git add. Commit your changes using git commit -m initial commit and set your main branch with git branch -m main. Finally, link your remote repository by running git remote add origin https://github.com/your username/your-repro.guide origin h. Push your code with git push-u origin main. After successfully pushing your code, navigate to the Render dashboard. Click on New and then select Web Service. Here, you will connect the repository that contains your Claude Code project. If your project uses Node.js, make sure to select Node.js as the environment. For the build command, enter npm install. In the start command field, replace with your main file by entering nodeindex.js. You will also need to choose a region for your service, such as the US or EU, and then click Create Web Service to finalize this. If your Claude Code project requires an API key, navigate to the environment section and select environment variables in Render. Here you can add the necessary variables. For instance, input CLD_API_key followed by your Claude Code API key. If there are any other secrets, such as superbase_URL or superbase_key, add those as well. Your code will be able to access these variables using quote process.env. CLAU_API_key. Render will now pull your repository, install the required dependencies, and start your project. Any future pushes to GitHub will automatically trigger redeploy. This ensures that your application is always up to date with the latest changes. Once the deployment process is complete, Render will provide you with a URL, which will look like https://your-project.onrender.com. You can test your application's endpoints, such as API routes, using tools like curl or postman. For example, you can run the command curl https://your-project.onrender.com/API/add user to verify that your application is functioning correctly. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.